bang okasyon?
Kailangan ng okasyon para bumili ng mga bulaklak?
Most people think so. Kaya nung kakabukas lang namin, sabi nila hindi kami magtatagal. Kasi nga daw, season na lang yung mga bulaklak. Eh, hindi lang naman kami pang holiday. Kailangan ba naman ng special day para pakita natin na mahal natin yung isang tao?
Sunflower.
Libre na lang ho yan. Suking naman namin kayo eh. Bigay nyo na lang to sa mga anak niyo.
Salamat. Ilang taon siya?
What?
Ilang taon siya?
7.
Ma! Ma! Galing po sa school.
Okay, good. Ay, Lisa. Tigpitin mo na yung bag mo. Okay na po.
Maganda. Magkano?
$400 na lang po.
Ayun lang. $400.
Thank you. Ay, sir. Ito nga po pala yung calling card namin. Para pagka may kailangan kayo sa susunod, tawag niyo na lang po.
Salamat.
Wait lang. Sulat ko, ha? No. Okay. 0917 867 5341. Okay. King Lewis yan, di ba? Oo. Sige, sa Lunes na lang, ha? Sige, salamat.
Sino yan?
Si paring Ed, may recommendation sa akin na farm. Baka daw interesado tayong kunin na supplier.
Asan galing?
Sa Baguio daw eh. Ewan ko, pag-uusapan pa namin. Oh, ikaw naman, ba't ang tahimik mo dyan? Kumusta naman yung school mo?
Okay lang po.
Talaga? Nothing special?
Sabi po ni teacher, recognition day daw po namin sa Friday. May award daw po kasi ako eh.
That's good! That's good!
Kailangan ba nandun kami? Lisa?
Anak, alam mo naman na your mom and I are busy now, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng sa lahat ng events mo sa school, nandun kami. Tatawagin lang naman uli yung pangalan mo sa stage eh. Okay na yan, ha? Sandali. Hello? Yes, Mrs. Flores.
Hoy, sandali!
Come to you, Miss Flores. Miss Flores.
Oh, you were jealous of...
Oh, isa anak, gising ka pa pala. Tulog na ha.
Okay, good night. I love you.
Good morning, sir.
I mean, I need flowers for my girlfriend.
At parang hindi ka sigurado.
Kasi hindi naman talaga not ever. Not since yesterday.
So, how can I help you?
How do you say I'm sorry?
Alam ko na. Excuse me, sir. Pink. Pink. Carnation.
How do you know?
Ang ano?
The type of flower you use, you don't even know what happened.
Well, di ba, ang sabi mo, gusto mo mag-sorry. At mahal mo.
Di ko sabi mahal siya.
Bakit? Hindi ba?
Well, I don't know. I care for her a lot.
Well, sir, hindi ka naman pupunta dito ng 11 in the morning nang walang dahilan.
Well, I haven't told her kasi I'm not the type na open kasi sa feelings eh. Maybe some people just have different ways of showing their feelings.
Just like the flowers.
Oh!
Pero sir, siguro naman kailangan lang nyo ng assurance. Alam mo kasi, ang relationship parang malaki. Kailangan inaalagaan mo para mahungan. At hindi ba kailangan bigyan mo siya ng pansin?
But aren't there some people that just overlook the stuff we do for them sometimes?
You can actually say it that way. Pero, why don't you just be thankful that someone...
I'm sorry, is it enough?
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
Okay naman po.
Okay. Oh, Inday. Eto, napakaganda pa rin na shoes one. Di ba, Inday? Yes. Oh, yes. Oo. Ayan. Ito. Inday, tignan mo. Ang ganda, di ba? Ayos, ate, ang ganda. Oh, di ba? Ay, bago yata ito doon sa sala natin. Yung sa bagong base na pinili ng sir mo doon sa France. Di ba? Ganda! Pero ate, baka mag-clash ang pulos. Dili! Ano ba yan? Nahahawa ako sa'yo, Inday. Ano ka ba? Ito yung tinatawag nila doon sa magazine na Avante Garden!
Avant-garde po.
Yun nga. Ang galing mo talaga, girl. So, well, I'll have all of this! Yes! Go, Inday! Sabi mo na yun lahat. Ay, Inday! Naku, Inday. Ayan, ate, sandali. Ay, ang lahat na. Ilagay mo na yan doon. Rob naman. Ay, sandali. O, so, ilagay mo doon. Tapos, ito pa. Lahat ito. Ay, hindi. Sabi niya, uwi natin. Hindi ko
Ba't di ba, sir, pwede mo na rin dito eh?
Sige, Inday. Uwi na daw.
Gusto niyo nga po, kunin niyo na ito lahat eh.
Ay, talaga? Naku, eto pwede ba to? Pwede
Ay,
to?
huwag yan, huwag yan.
Ay, huwag yan?
May nakabili
Ito.
na yan.
Inday!
May nakabili na po yan.
Ah, meron na. Ah, sige. Sige, pakibill na ako. Isa? Eh, bakit mo ba planong isa ito? Eh, parang napakarami nyo namang mga customers dito. Tapos, Tapos, may mga regular pa kayo na katulad ko. Eh, sayang naman.
Well,
I'm sure mas magiging proud ang parents mo sa'yo kung itutuloy mo to. Di ba?
proud? I don't think so.
Ah, ano yun, Iha?
Wala po. Ibig kong sabihin, hindi ko naman hilig to. Tsaka itong flower shop na to, pangarap nila mami, hindi sa akin. So, what's the point?
Oh, well, that is true. I guess, but it's worth. You're good at what you do. Isa. Thanks, ha? Here's my card. Pagka may plano ka ng ibenta to, sabihin mo na agad sa akin, ha? Okay?
Ito po pala.
Okay. Ang mura, may discount ako. Wait. Okay. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Sige, thank you po.
Alali? I need some white chrysanthemums, please.
Para sa boyfriend?
No, for my father. He passed a couple of weeks ago. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah. He used to come here often. Nung mga bata pa kami, before we moved to the south.
Baka kilala sila nila mama.
No. They know every single customer that comes here. Here. We found this in one of his old wallets.
Naalala ko nga siya. Wait lang. Hindi ba ito yung paborito niya?
Yeah. He used to give mom chrysanthemums all the time. Tapos, for us kids naman, sunflowers. Any day, any occasion, sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Alam mo, naalala ko nga sabi ni Papa sa akin na sunflowers are for people that you appreciate the most. Kaya nga dati lahat ng suki nila, binibigyan nila ng sunflowers. Just a way of saying na rin siguro ng thank you.
Nice. You must get it a lot then, huh?
Oddly enough, I'd say no.
Wow.
Sorry. Oh, ba't hindi ka nga pala nakapunta dun sa living ng dad mo? Tsaka ba't ngayon ka lang?
Oh, I work abroad. Tapos kahapon lang ako pinayagang umuwi. So, ayan. Besides, before I left, my dad and I were not in good terms na rin eh. You know, he got mad. Well, he was disappointed, and I got mad. So that's it. We never spoke ever since. Never spoken.
If you don't mind me asking, why did he get disappointed?
Well, I got pregnant, and amongst all of the sisters, they thought that was going to be the most successful. So yun. Nangyari yun. So I packed up and left. Yeah.
Alam mo, yung dad mo, siguro nagulat lang siya that time. Pero for him to get disappointed, hindi naman siguro. And for sure, before he passed away, hinanap ka rin niya.
must be very proud of you. What are you doing?
I meant, they never really said it, so how would I know? Well, but like what he said, they can never really get disappointed anyways. Oh, how much for that? You can have that. Wow. Are you sure? Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Good morning.